The assistant back again. Early in the morning. I played a little Stardew. It's Saturday, so I don't have to go to work right away. But I do need to get my car fixed pretty early. But I might have time to record and upload. So I think I'll try to do that. Now, I want to play around and do something cool, like make a little Colette's sequence generator or something like that. Or like an Ackermann function or something. You know, something that's going to run for like 10 quadrillion years before it stops. That would be fun. But we have to finish this. Repair one more. I don't know what this is. So if we finish this one, not only will this last one be unlocked, but it looks like an entire page right here will be unlocked. And I don't know if these are puzzles or if this is just another... like... So this is a specification. So can you edit this and make it a stack? See, I don't know. So, signal window filter. Read values from in, which is this and this. Write the sum of the last three values to out dot 3, which is this. And it's gonna be this, and it's got to match this. And then the sum of the last 5 to out dot 5, and assume the prior in values are 0. So I see. That's weird. Write the sum of the last 3. That's weird. Okay, so this is kind of like the Fibonacci sequence type thing. You're not doing 3 at a time, finishing 3 at a time, finishing. You are every single one. You are adding up the last 3, the last 5, at every single one. So it's a little odd. I could combine the logic of the last 3, and then for the last 5 I could, I don't know. Let's see here. I could every time there's a new one, I could take whatever's in the stack. You know, add up 3 of it or whatever, and then push it in the stack, because the stack could have no, I'm not sure. Oh, I know. Alright guys, I know a trick how to do this. You don't have to save the last values in Okay, so you save the values in the stack, but you don't have to make multiple sums. You can basically make one total sum. Okay, so you at the beginning you just set the total sum to 11. And then every value you get, you just put in the stack. Right? Now there's two stacks, so you just take whatever's in this stack. And you shove it in this stack. Although we have to do it with two numbers, not just one. Oh no. I wonder if you can replicate them. All I know is that in theory you only need two stacks, but in order to use two stacks in a very complicated manner, you have to make like a complicated program. You have to make some kind of managing program that can basically do weird things like, you know, insert zeros or other things into the stack or something to separate out values. So theoretically, two stacks can do anything you can imagine. It can simulate Minecraft, but just imagine how insane that program would be, you know, if our outputs, you know, pixels or something like that. So write the sum of the last three values to out.3. And the sum of the last five values to out.5. So if I just do move up right, move up right, I have, oops, move left. Sorry, my brain is like half working. Okay, move up, down. No. Ah, okay. So what this could do is it could just say move down ACC. So basically this one's going to say move 0 up. This one's going to be like telling this one when it's done, so that this one can just, or either that, or I could just make it move 5 of them, because that's all we need is 5. Move up, down. How about move up ACC, move ACC down. And this one I could say add right. Okay. I wish we had a queue. Oh. Move right ACC. Move. We do have a queue, but the problem is that it doesn't. work as a queue? Is the question. If you put two stacks next to each other, for it to work as a queue, I thought you had to move everything into one stack and then move everything into the other stack. You can't just like add some things and like they instantly come down, because that's just passing it down. I remember I've made a queue with two stacks before. I actually had to do that for one of my classes. We had to make a queue out of two stacks, I think. That's what it was. You fill up one stack when it's full with all the things you want to, reverse. Then, wait a minute, what's wrong with doing that? I guess I could do that. I could just do that, but I just don't know when I'd be done. But I only need 5 at a time. Come on, guys, help me think of this. Alright. Move right ACC. So I'm collecting these. As they're coming in, I'm collecting them. Okay, move right ACC. I don't want to pull from it until this one has at least 5. Right, so I can do move 0 down, and then here, before I start pulling it, I could say move up. Nil or something. So this one won't go until this one already did 5. Let's see here. Move up. Move right ACC. And then this one needs to subtract. What in the world? Like, I can do 5 at a time, but for every single number, I have no idea how you would. Like, you could take 5, you could add them up and put them on the stack. But then to subtract them, you'd have to reverse the stack. And then you could subtract, you know, whatever you want. But you're still going to have the other stack. You still have to do it for the next number, which is 4 of the numbers, 4 of the 5 numbers are already in the stack. So I don't understand how you. So even if you took the top one off this stack, then you'd have to push it. Oh, you would just have to keep switching the stack. You could do it that way. You could keep switching the stack. That'd be fun. So basically what this would do is it would move 5 up, 5 down, 5 up, 5 down, back and forth, and it would do that a lot. It would have to do that a lot, but that would be fine. Okay. How are we gonna do this? Okay. Right? Say move up. You move from here down here. 5 of them. Alright, then this one's on the queue. Down ACC. Okay, I see. So I don't know what's going to happen when the input value is no longer there. I wonder if it just gives you zeros or something. because basically this isn't going to output anything until 5 values have passed, I think. Or what I could do is I could just put 5 zeros into it. Or 4 zeros. Like that. Okay, so it moves left, right. This moves up, down 5 times. Moves down to ACC. Moves ACC left. And it's got to move ACC up. Oops, I wrote move twice. And then move down up. Wait. Hold on a second. Alright, this thing is going to have 5 things. The oldest one's at the bottom. So it's moving them from the top. Boom, 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 boom. Now the oldest one's at the top. So it takes the oldest one, sticks it here, puts it left. Right? And then I need to forget about that value after that, because I've used it. Right? So then I put 4 up. Okay, now the newest one's at the top, but then there's space for another newest one. So then move 0 left. So this is going to move right to like ACC or something like that. And this is going to move right to nil. And that's when it's going to say move 0 up. This one's going to say move down nil. Okay, but this one's probably, like I said before, it's subtract right. Okay, let's just see how that works. So we have a whole bunch of zeros. Oh, I did that wrong. Let's move those here. Okay. Okay, it puts zeros in the stack. This isn't letting this stack get built up. Wow, this is just ridiculous. Okay, so what I did was, for the very first one, which is these 4 zeros, when it's done filling up the stack with those 4 zeros, then I send a trigger down to here to send to here, and then both of these have a loop. All 3 of these have a loop that once that happens, they just do their loop. They never go back to doing that. So that wastes or uses a lot of code, but hopefully it's worth it. Great. Okay. Well, okay, it puts 4 zeros there, right? Moves the 0 down. Move left to right. Maybe I just need to move up to ACC and move ACC right, because this thing needs a little more time to do what it's trying to do. There we go. There's 4 zeros and an 11. This pulled it down. We don't need these 2 lines. In fact, I could just say move up left. Because you put 4 down here, you want the 5th value, right? 4 zeros and an 11. 11, and then it gives you a 0. Instead of doing sub right, I think I'm gonna do move right, left. And then here it's going to move up, move BCC down. Okay, so it's going to add up. Okay. But then it's going to subtract that, right? So add 77, it's got 88. 105, 72, 172, 125, 192. $142. Right. So we got 11. We got 88. We got 17. We got 67. We still need to add 30. Nope. It already subtracted. That's dumb. It already subtracted. It's supposed to get 5 numbers and then subtract whatever's here after. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Hold on, let me just move. Okay. I'm just gonna, even though they'll be wrong, I'm just looking at the values. Here we have a 302. Let me just erase one of these, and one of those. Let's see. So is it possible for me to do this one without a loop? Like, how do I keep this one from starting? Move right nil and then move 0 right so I can get rid of the jump loop, and then I can, I don't know, add even more of these. These are big values. I don't think I'll be able to finish this in time for an episode per se, that one I can upload. Move up ACC, move ACC right. Hold on. Hold on, something's not right. Down, 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 down. 0 left, okay. Wait, what? After the 11, there wasn't a 77? What? It just inserted it, like, into the... Oh my goodness. Okay. This is how I'm gonna do it from now on. Nope. It's gonna say move 0 up. And then without the loop, it's gonna say move upright. Bam. This one is gonna say move down nil. And it's gonna loop again. That'll work. Okay, so 286 is 11 higher than 75. So that means that I was right the first time. I don't need this many. Bam. No. What is going on? Oh, this one's working. Bam. Last 5 values. See this one? Okay, so how do we get the last 3 values? Oh my goodness. Okay. So maybe this one adds. Right? Okay, so instead of doing just add up, I can do move up, left. This one can add up as well. Move ACC down. Okay, so the first one we don't want. Okay. Okay, I know what to do, I think. So this one will just be a little delayed. No, hold on. This one. It's gonna give you a more recent one, so it's gonna be the third one instead of the fifth one, or two away from this. So, yep. Move up ACC, move ACC left, and then move ACC down. So what this is going to do is it's going to say after it moves 0 right or upright, then it wants to move right left, but now it's going to do that twice. Okay, whenever this one takes sub right, it's going to first move right left, and this one's going to sub right. Okay. Is that really working? We did. Yes. We did it. I don't get how I do these episodes. Okay, so it's been like an hour, so it's like 7:30. So I really need to go upload this video and then get my car fixed as fast as I think I possibly can. But yeah, I'm surprised I was able to finish that. So I don't know, you guys can ask questions in the comments if you're not sure what happened. Basically, what I did was every 5th value I sent to here to subtract, and then that sent here. And then every 3rd value, before I got to the 5th value, I looked at the 2 values back, and I sent those here for this one to keep track of the sum of the last 3 values. And then that would send down here, down. So all this did, which is funny because this module, all it does is take this, it takes up and turns it right, and it takes left and turns it down. So it's like a corner, cross street or something. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I am glad that I finished this because I needed to upload something, because I'm trying to upload something every day. Alright, bye.